Today, I want to show you about Chanchao trapping quail. What is the quail? The quail is named for the bird, as large as a diminutive chick, gray-brown fur with a strip across the body. On the cheeks are the white dots on the black background, like this picture. Because quails is a living in the nature, it is therefore special in the nutrition. It is, I believe, to provide protein that make muscle to be strong. So, how do you catch it? If you have any doubt about catches, I want to explain to you. It is called Chanchao trapping quail. Let me explain you about mechanism this trap. First step, you download the wild quiz from the internet into your device or your smartphone. After that, you put your device near the trap and hide it near the trap. Second step, you open trap and wait and make your heart comfortably. You must wait. Suppose this quails is run very fast to find the source of the sound and run bump this net and it will fall our left feet. Maybe you can't get it or you're not successful. So don't think too much. Consider not your shame. Okay, finally, if your life too difficult or too seriously, find something new to do, relax, and return to pastoral nature. See you next time. Thank you for your attention.